Asterisk. Something big just happened, and almost nobody's talking about it. Asterisk. The economy is shifting at lightning speed, currencies are collapsing, banks are making moves in the shadows, and governments are setting up policies that could change everything. Yeah. Asterisk, stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll understand exactly what's happening, and more importantly, what you need to do right now to protect yourself before it's too late. See, one of the biggest stories right now is the state of President Trump's tariffs and trade policies are putting unprecedented pressure on the dollar. We're talking about a potential decline that could shake the entire financial system. Is this a deliberate move to pave the way for a new financial system like a central bank digital currency? Some experts think so. Banks and financial elites often profit during these crises. Meanwhile, President Javier Milei's aggressive economic reforms have led to a surprising comeback. Inflation is dropping, the Argentine peso is stabilizing, and GDP is on the rise. But is this recovery just masking deeper dependence on the IMF? Argentina's turnaround might just be a test case for a new model of economic control. And then there's, mired in its second consecutive year of recession, energy shortages and internal problems are pushing the country into economic turmoil. Is this crisis by design? Cutting ties with Russian energy seems to have backfired, raising questions about whether this is part of a larger plan to deindustrialize and push a green agenda. Ordinary citizens are bearing the brunt while corporations and elites profit. So what's the bigger picture? Are we heading towards a global financial reset orchestrated by entities like the World Economic Forum and central banks? With the average person being kept in the dark, it's crucial to take action now. Here's what you need to do to protect yourself. Move away from cash-heavy savings as inflation erodes value. Consider gold, silver, or Bitcoin, as these assets have historically proven to be strong stores of value. Commodities and real estate are also good options. Don't rely on a single job. The system is unstable. Start an online business, side hustle, or passive income stream. E-commerce, YouTube, and freelancing can build financial independence. Invest in cash-flowing assets like rental properties or dividend stocks. Governments and media often downplay real risks. Dig deeper into financial news and follow economic trends. Join communities of like-minded individuals for valuable insights. Be cautious of central bank digital currencies. Use decentralized finance and privacy-focused tools. Keep some assets outside the traditional banking system. Crashes create opportunities. When assets dip, smart investors buy low and hold. Look for undervalued stocks, businesses, or digital assets. Real estate corrections, crypto dips, and emerging markets could offer significant gains. The world is shifting fast. Elites are making moves to control wealth, resources, and financial systems, but with the right strategy, you can stay ahead, protect yourself, and even thrive. Remember, knowledge is power, and preparation is key. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Until next time, stay safe and stay savvy.